Headings are like titles and subtitles that you can use to structure your text and help your readers get a clearer view of your content. The tags in the headings tell search engines to prioritize the text between those tags when evaluating your site. Therefore, one of the big keys to making your posts readable is to not have long text without H2 or H3 headings. However, it is possible that when you started writing posts on WordPress, you did not take into account these significant aspects. If you start looking for them now, it can take you several hours to go through all your posts and check which of them have no H2 or H3 headers. That's why in this video we want to show you how to quickly find all your posts without H2 or H3 headers, so you can edit and optimize them. To do this, we'll use the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. This spreadsheet allows you to edit hundreds of posts quickly, as well as allowing you to do advanced searches in seconds. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we're ready to search for all the posts without H2 or H3 tags in their content. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select Content. The operator will be not contains. Here you need to enter either H2 or H3 between the less than and greater than signs. Finally, run the search to display all the posts without the selected header in their content. After using these simple search terms, you'll see all the results displayed on the spreadsheet. Now you can quickly apply the desired changes in the spreadsheet or by using the bulk editing tool. You could also export these posts to edit them in a CSV file from Excel or Google Sheets, and then import the new information in just a few minutes. As you can see, you don't have to spend hours again trying to identify which of your posts don't have the header you're looking for in their content, thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.